Okay, joining me on the news track just now is one of the key ministers in the Modi government, Dr. Jitendra Singh. He's amongst those who got the vaccine today. First jab, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Mubarak, and welcome. You know, you're now in a category where everybody else wants to be. You've got the dose. I also just want to welcome, and I'll speak to them after chatting first with Dr. Jitendra Singh, Dr. Naresh Trehan, Chairman and Managing Director, Medanta, and Abhay Soy, Chairperson of the Max Healthcare. But I first want to go across to the doctor, the political doctor, and Dr. Jitendra Singh. How was the first jab? You're now in a very rare category of those who got the vaccination. Today was day one. How was your experience? Tell us all about it.
No, absolutely fine. And I think the kind of arrangement that has been made is absolutely foolproof. And the example has been set by Prime Minister, who led from the front. He walked in like a common citizen, very sensitively choosing early morning hours so that he didn't have to disturb the traffic because of the security reasons. Filled in the form, which each one of us later on who went through the vaccination did also. Then also spent 30 minutes, the mandatory 30 minutes of observation. And also made it very clear that he had chosen today's time and date because with the conscious realization that the corona warriors, the health workers, the medical and the paramedical who were more exposed to the virus deserve to be there, deserve to be given preference as far as the protection mechanism and the protection procedure was concerned. And once the vaccination process was made open to the common citizens, being the first elected citizen of India, he walked in. So, and I'm glad that as he has given the call for Atmanirbhar Bharat. This being an Indian vaccine has not only reiterated India's resolve of Atmanirbhar Bharat, but I would go one step further also to say that it has also proved the fact that Bharat is not only Atmanirbhar, it can also make other countries Nirbhar on Bharat, in the sense that many of the other countries now are also procuring the same vaccine.
So there was some controversy earlier around the manner in which Covaxin of Bharat Biotech was given permissions. Are you hoping now that the Prime Minister has publicly affirmed his personal faith, because this is about as personal a decision as personal can get, which vaccine are you comfortable with, because it's going into your body. Now that he's taken this made in India Covaxin vaccine, are you hoping that the vaccine hesitancy that's been holding back our program for some time will now be overcome, Dr. Singh?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think you made the point very candidly clear yourself. And to add to what you said, in fact, if Prime Minister did not choose to take the vaccine earlier, as I said, it was out of a sensitive decision to let the more vulnerable have the protection before the VVIPs or the others, because then the criticism would have been the other way around. Now, as far as the efficacy of the vaccine is concerned, it has more than evidently proven by a series of trials and the scrutinies which we are, we follow as a routine in the realms of the medicine and the medical science. So, this scrutiny is also open to all the researchers and the supervisory boards across the world. So I don't think there is any reason to doubt it. If at all there was any kind of an apprehension happening, it was also partly because it was sought to be manufactured by certain vested interests who unfortunately, on the contrary, should have rejoiced India, taking a lead in the world, becoming a frontline nation. And Prime Minister Modi becoming a frontline world leader in the war against corona, and India emerging stronger than ever before.
So one last question. I'm very happy that you got the jab. As I said at the outside, but hamara number kab aayega? Everybody else who's watching and isn't eligible at this moment because they're not above 60 yet or don't have comorbidities, and thank God for that, above 45, are wondering, so when do you think phase 2 will get over and next phase kab start hoga, sir?
You see, no, what is happening is, I mean, to put it very realistically, because your channel also very appropriately showed all the procedural steps. So you have an app now. you have to just fill in your number. We were among the earliest to do so when it started this morning, and it's being given to all with 45 plus with comorbidities, and there's a huge number of comorbidities. I mean, the list is so long. It includes very commonly prevalent disorders like diabetes mellitus, also like hypertension, which every third Indian has. So virtually it's now going to cover every section and every age group, particularly after 45, and maybe minus 45 will come little later.
Okay, so we're waiting and we're tracking this vaccination process very carefully. आपको कोई side effect हुआ or you were fine and no problem at all?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं हुआ, तभी इस स्थिति में हूँ कि आपसे बातचीत कर सकूँ. I hope it passes. And I have been traveling because I was in Assam on the election responsibility. So I was in Delhi just for one day today. So I thought I would make use of it. I have to travel back again by tomorrow, maybe if not forenoon, afternoon. Okay. So I hope everything goes fine.
Well, I hope you stay well.
And I think that should also generate a lot of confidence among your viewers.
Most certainly. Yes.
Thank you,
Rahul. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much, Dr. Jitendra Singh, for joining us on the News Track. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Rahul.
Hello, everyone. This is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.